Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add Zoom link to Google Calendar. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Google Chrome for this. Now here you go in for new tab and in search bar you type in for a Zoom Google Chrome extension. Then click on search. Now here you can see Zoom scheduler. You click on it. Now here we need to add this to the extension of Google Chrome. For that you need to click on add to Chrome. Here you click on add extension. As you can see, the Zoom scheduler has been added to Chrome. Now you open a new tab. Now here you click on the Google Apps section on top right beside of your profile. Here you need to click on calendar. Here we can go to our calendar and we can click on the box like we are doing a normal meeting. Say it as a Zoom meeting. Here you can add a title as a Zoom meeting. Choose a time and you also can add attachment and everything you want to. Now you click on make it a Zoom meeting. Now here you need to provide a Zoom account credential, that is your email address and password. Now go in for providing your password. Then you type in a CAPTCHA over here. After you are all done, you click on sign in. Now here you need to click on make it a Zoom meeting. The event has been saved, and with that everyone invited to this meeting will have the Zoom information right here with the ID to join the Zoom meeting. This is how you can add a Zoom link to the Google Calendar. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to add Zoom link to Google Calendar. Thank you.